night in this dress for $120 and shoes for $30. Back in Chicago, her friends and family.
That's my kitty cat snoring. Are you snoring? Did I wake you out of your stupor? Oh, my baby. Say bye, Gracia.